Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan invited students, teachers and parents to participate in the 5th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2022 and get a chance to be mentored by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sharing the registration link, Pradhan tweeted, "Valuable mantras to beat exam stress, excelling in career and life and much more. Here is your chance to get mentored directly by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji," inviting students, teachers and parents to participate in PPC 2022. The first edition of the Prime Minister's Interaction Program with school and college students, Pariksha Pe Charcha 1.0, was held at the Talkatora Stadium on February 16, 2018. In the subsequent editions of the program, students, parents, teachers from across the nation and also from overseas interacted with him to discuss and overcome the stress emerging out of examinations in order to celebrate life. A senior Ministry of Education official said, the format of this program is proposed to be in online mode like in 2021. An online creative writing competition is being conducted on various topics from December 28th to January 20th, 2022 to select participants. Questions asked by selected winners will be featured in the Pariksha Pe Charcha program.